ran away. You said to see your family, but I ran into you yesterday, and you never saw it coming, baby. I knew you knew what I thought.
Hi everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have yet again another haul, but this time it's an international brand. It's called Cider or Shop Cider, and I know you've seen them all over Instagram, all over TikTok, and I actually noticed, or I actually known them sa Instagram because they have a lot of ads and they keep popping on my Instagram. That's why I saw them. Their pieces are very eye-catching. That's why I follow them on Instagram. And you guys, they have a 1.4 million followers on Instagram, and I think they started when pandemic happened. I'm not really sure, pero dun ko kasi sila talaga napansin. But today, I'll just give you guys a very honest opinion regarding their clothes, their brand, their packaging. If ever I have any comments and suggestions regarding the things that I got. So if you're interested to see all of the items that I got, just keep on watching. I'll start with their packaging kasi I think you've never seen it. Hindi siya masyadong patok dito sa Pilipinas itong Shop Cider, para in case you guys want to buy, alam nyo kung anong marireceive nyo. They come in this plastic Ziploc bag, and every individual clothes meron silang plastic bag. And it says here na cider, and then sa back is brewing style. And then yung ano nila, yung website nila. What I like about this is Ziploc bag siya, and you can use or reuse this one in case you want to go outside. If you have any beach vacation na kailangan puntahan, you could use this one. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga lotions mo, ganyan, or in case yung mga swimsuits mo para hindi siya nagugulo, diba? So now let's move on sa mga tops. So the first one is this top. So this one is a tank top. It's a crop tank top. And parang yung sa baba niya is parang raw hem siya, pero hindi talaga siya raw hem. So meron siyang zigzag stitch sa baba para hindi siya malaglag yung mga stitching niya. Yung gusto ko dito is the quality. This one is ribbed cotton material and sobrang kapal niya, guys. And I love this print right here. Dito sa my front, it has this vintage feels to it. Super cute ng color combination ng print nila. And I think na yung print nila is not yung natatanggal kapag winash mo. It has this tag right here, and super sakto lang ng fit niya. Pero if you want a medyo maluwag na fit, you could size up for this. And I got this one for $12. Next up, we have this bandana-like top. And sobrang sakto ng fit niya sa akin. This one I got in the size small, and I love the quality of its material. Para siyang polyester, pero hindi naman siya manipis. And I love the color combination. It's like very juice. It's like orange, lemon, ganyan, and also lime, ganyan, di ba? Ang ganda niyang tignan. It's very summer vibe, and parang ang pleasing niya sa eyes. And I just love its fit, and ang ganda ng strap niya because it has this adjustable string. Another thing na gusto ko dito sa top na to is its back, kasi para siyang sheared. You won't have any problem na parang maluwag siya sa'yo kasi hihigpit at hihigpit siya because of its back part. It has this sheared so it would stretch. So next, I have another tank top, and this one is another favorite of mine dito sa Shop Cider because I just love its quality. It's a knitted material, but yung knit niya is super kapal. It's very thick material. And then what I love about it is its print. It has this zebra print, and I just love this part right here. It has this square neckline which is very flattering. I just love its quality. Its length is sakto-sakto lang. It's not too short. It's not too long. This one is also $12, and I think it's super worth it. Next, I have another colorful top, and it has this funky print to it, and I just love its color. It's orange, and it's very eye-catching, but it's not too bright to the point na medyo masakit siya sa mata. What I didn't like about this, it's very flowy na medyo maluwag siya. Sa may baba ko na part, I don't like that kind of top na, lalo na kapag mahigpit siya dito. Para sa akin, hindi ko siya type yung medyo baggy siya dito sa may baba na part niya. I think na it would look good if it's a fitted top. For its quality, I think na hindi siya masyadong ganon ganun kaganda. This one is $12, but I think na it's not worth it for its price because of its quality. It's like polyester stretchy material, pero hindi siya ganun kakapal na material na polyester. Next I have is this top. So this one is a alligator. Not sure, pero para siyang alligator print. And para siyang faux leather. And I just love its quality kasi sobrang high quality. And I think na super worth it siya sa price niya. Another thing na gusto ko dito is may lining siya dito sa loob. So what I don't like about this is its size. I don't know, but I got the smallest size and it's so big on me. And also this part right here, dito sa may top niya, maluwag siya sa akin. And I don't know if it's because of my body proportions. Hindi tama yung sizing nila because I think this would fit a medium size na Filipina, I don't know. And I got this one for $29. Kung kayo yung medium size na Filipina, I would recommend this. Pero kung mas maliit pa kayo sa body size ko, this one is a no. Next I have is this top. And this is another favorite of mine. And sobrang ganda nito. And I think na super unique niya. And I do recommend na maghanap na lang kayo in case you guys want to shop sa Cider ng mga pieces o yung mga clothes na never nyo pang nakita sa mga ibang shop. I love the contrast stitching. And also this one, this part right here, which has the zipper that you could open totally para mas madali siyang masuot. And it has this fake buttonhole design. And then it has this jumper thingy. Yung strap niya is para siyang jumper. So, you could remove it, you could adjust it the way you want it. And I love its hardware. I think na hindi siya kakalawangin. Super ganda ng quality niya. It's like a denim material. Next one, I have another top. And this one is a halter top. Super cute na ito. But, I am not a fan of its size. Guys, this one is another fail when it comes to sizing. Kasi I got this one in the smallest size. But I think this one is parang mga large, mga medium, ganyan. I don't know if ganun talaga yung fit niya na maluwag. Parang tinali ko siya dito sa may likuran na part para mag-fit siya sa akin. Parang hit or miss yung mga sizing nila. So, be careful guys. I really like this one. It gives me that bubblegum feels or cotton candy because of its color combination. And the quality is polyester stretchy material. It's not see-through at all. Pero hindi siya ganun kakapal. So next, I have another top. And this one is more of a parang corset-like top. Yung feels na to is more of a chiffon. So it has this sheared part dito sa may likod para it would fit you better. I think na medyo maluwag lang siya sa may bust area ko. I don't know, feeling ko dahil medyo hindi tayo binayaan. But I just love its color combination. Para siyang pastel muted colors. Hindi siya ganun ka-bright. You could dress this down or dress this up depending on you para medyo mas casual siyang tingnan. You could pair it with jeans. Let's move on sa mga bottoms. So I have this first skirt. And it's like a knitted crochet. No, para siyang burda. I definitely would recommend this one for size medium na girls because I got this one in the size small pero maluwag pa rin siya sa akin. And I don't know if its design is low-waisted, but I think na this would look good if it's a high-waisted na skirt. And I think na i-alter ko na lang siya, but yun nga, para siyang 1 inch na maluwag sa akin dito sa may side. So, I just love the quality. Super kapal niya. And I think this one is super worth it. I think it's super duper cute. And I think na I could wear this one with a lot of tops. Para yung mga plain tops ko, I could pair it with this statement na skirt. Next one I have is this skirt. And you guys, this one is a denim midi skirt. And I think na super bilang ko lang sa kamay. As in, parang dalawa lang ata tong mga midi skirt ko na denim. And I got this one. It has this parang checkered design to it. But what I don't like about this is its size again. So I don't know if it's a low-waisted skirt. Feeling ko dapat high-waisted to eh. Pero ayun nga, sadly, it's very big on me. Parang 2 inches yung layo niya dito sa may waist part ko. I think na I could rock this one pa rin naman. Like, kung maglalagay ako ng tali dito sa may likuran. And move on na tayo doon kasi I love this design here. May slit siya, super big slit dito sa may leg part niya. And I think that it's super cute, very 70s, very 80s tong skirt na to. And ayan, I just love its quality, very thick material na denim, and I think this one is super worth it. But I do recommend this for size medium or size large na mga girls. For the last bottoms, this one is a skirt lang, a flowery design, and I think it's very summer vibes, and it has these two slits dito sa my front part. Very wrong of me na pumili ako ng gantong skirt kasi I think na I'm seeing it sa Shein, sa Zaful, sa Shopee, but ayun, I don't think this one is super worth it for its price because of its quality. Kasi manipis siya na type of polyester and super luwag din neto, lalo na sa may waist part ko. So, this one is a no for me. So, last for my category are the accessories. So, I got this very cute earrings. It has this checkered pattern. And para siyang heart design, and this one is super duper cute. I think na hindi naman siya ganun kalaki na medyo agaw pansin na earrings, but this one is very simple lang that you could wear every day in case you guys want a statement accessories. So the material of this earrings is parang clay type. So I got this one for $5, but I think it's not worth it. Feeling ko this one should be $2, ganyan lang, $2.50 yung price niya. So that's a no for me. And also this earrings, so I got this super cute earrings lang na iba-iba yung colors and also yung sizes. $5 again, but ayun nga, yun yung mga hindi ko lang gusto dito. I think the accessories are overpriced. Hindi ko lang gusto is medyo hindi sila protected, lalo na sa may packaging. So that is all of the items that I got from Shopsider. Now I just want to share my shipping experience, and sadly I paid a custom tax for Shopsider. I don't know if it's because I'm in the province, parang mga 500 plus din yon per package. So sadly meron siyang custom tax in case na taga-province kayo, but if you're in the Manila, super fast lang talaga ng shipping nila. But mine took a while because of the customs kasi they have to hold it, mag-inspect sa package na yon. So, sobrang natagalan. Like, 1 month ata bago nakarating sa akin. But, I just want to share my experience and thoughts, opinions regarding Shopsider. And in case you guys want to shop, I'll be linking yung website nila down below, and be careful or beware sa mga sizing nila kasi yun nga, hindi siya masyadong tama. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope I would see you on my next video. Bye!